Hello and welcome to my channel. I am the Crafty Man. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a wooden slingshot. Stick around. Today we are going to be making an old-fashioned slingshot. I've had this piece of wood lying around for quite some time. I'm not even really sure where I got it, but it is a very hardwood, and so what we're going to be doing is we're going to be finishing it up, getting the drawstring for the slingshot put on it, and doing some interesting stuff with it. So stick around, and I hope you enjoy the content. Okay, so we are going to be sanding this down, going through 60 grit to 150 grit. That's all I have. If you have higher, please go as high as you want. It's personal preference. So let's get started. Alright, so this is, let me see if you can get a good picture on here, but I don't know if you can tell, there's still a little bit rough pieces. I'm going to get that. What I did, and like I said, I've had this so long that I've been preparing to make this, but I made 2 holes at the bottom, and then I just took a jigsaw and I cut that down, and that will make it where it's easier to feed the string for the slingshot. So I'm going to do a little bit more sanding, and then I'm going to see if I can find some more excuse me, see if I can find my other sanding pieces, and we're going to take this all the way up to 150. Alrighty. 150 grit. Alright, got it all the way up to 150 grit. And again, I'll show you. So next, letting the glue dry. I changed my mind. I actually am going to stain it. You don't have to do this. You can just put polyurethane on it and call it good. That's up to you. But I really like this wood satin red barn finish. It's a Rust-Oleum product. It's not and everything. And I really like this, and I just want to see how it's going to look on this. And you know, I'm also going to, when I stain, I'm also going to stain the butcher string, and then let this dry and come back and put it coated polyurethane. Now, I was talking. What I'm going to be using as the drawstring, or I'm not sure what it's actually called for the slingshot, is I actually just went to Walmart and I got a replacement string for a slingshot. It's got the tubing and it's got the pouch in it. It was $3.50. That's with tax at Walmart. But you don't have to use the replacement string. You can use rubber bands, you can use an inner tube, even, you know, those long balloons that you make balloon animals out of, you can even use that. Those work really well too. But I chose to go with this. So now, when you're working with stain, guys, make sure you're doing it in a well-ventilated area. Some stains are very strong, and the fumes are just not good. And wear a respirator when you're dealing with stuff like this. But we're just going to take some stain and start staining this down. And and I want it to soak into this butcher's string. Yeah, I think this was a good decision. Okay, I'm going to get this all applied, and then I'm going to go back and wipe it down and get all the excess off. I am trying to let it go in as far as it can so it actually stains the wood, and you may have to go back and do a couple coats, which is fine. Just make sure you take your time, get all the surfaces. Experiment with different kinds of stain, guys. I just happen to have this on the end. I do have a few other stains. I just don't like the color of them. So that's why you've seen the last couple of videos with this red stain and everything. But just kind of make sure you get everything. Alright, now, put that aside. Okay, folks, so I'm doing something different on the slingshot. I'm not going to use a bit of butcher's twine like I thought. I am here, when I find it, I'm going to put some leather on the grip. But this is what it looks like so far, and I've got the polyurethane on it. Like I said, I went ahead and took off the butcher twine. I just didn't like the way it looked, and I will be replacing it with some leather. So now all we're going to do to finish this up basically is we're going to take our replacement slingshot string, we're going to feed it through the holes, and we're going to hope for the best. If I can get through. Oh, we are so close. Okay. Aha! We got it, guys. We got it. Ow. Alright, guys. We got it. That is the almost completed slingshot. Like I said, on the bottom half here, I've got to find it, but I'm going to wrap this all in oil, not oil, excuse me, leather. So, but that's good enough right now to take it outside and try it. And just to let you know, guys, it is very frosty out here. So, hang on, kid. He is going to be shooting the slingshot. You gotta shoot it with your...
Oh, you gotta shoot it like this?
You can Try. You gotta pinch the hook. You gotta pinch it, and have you ever slotted a slingshot before, bud?
Nope.
Okay.
Like this?
And pull it back as hard as you can.
Oh, there we go.
It works. So I am very happy with this build. It was fun, easy build. Well, kind of easy. I had a heck of a time getting the rubber through the hole I made. If you have any suggestions on how to make that easier, please let me know down in the comments. If you make something like this, or you make your own homemade slingshot, let me know down in the comments also. Smash that thumbs up for me, hit the subscribe button. Remember, turn on that bell for the new notifications and anytime I upload a video. If you could also share this on social media, that would be awesome. That would get my name out there, that would get my content out there, and that would help me out a lot. I appreciate you guys tuning in this time, and I appreciate you guys watching. I hope you like the content, and I will see you in the next. Bye.